yard, 'cause grandma gotta work hard. Real sour.
Morning, guys. How's everyone doing? Good. Everybody hear me okay? Yeah? Alright. How's the volume? Alright? Yeah. Let me know. I can adjust it up here, and I can also adjust the music volume. Welcome aboard. My name's Pete, and I'm going to be taking you out to East Maui, Hana and Haleakala. We're going to be starting off today by climbing all the way up to 10,000 feet to the top of the Haleakala crater. From there, we're going to go east around Hana, and then back around the North Shore. So all in all, about 45 minutes up in the air. Just before we take off here, I'm just going to go over a few safety things with you. There is a copy of the briefing that you just went through in front of you. If you wanted to look any of that information over again, you can. We do have air sick bags next to those. It's going to be a nice smooth ride for you, though. I got some really light winds this morning. Seatbelts, stay buckled for the whole ride. Everybody's got a life jacket just in case of an emergency of water. On the front doors, you'll see red handles. These are jettisons, emergency latch. If you need to exit quickly, you lift it up, and the whole door will fall right off. So I got some air going. There's vents above you. You can adjust them however's comfortable. Microphones on your headset, they're going to be right in front of your mouth for us to hear you. If it's off to the side, it'll be breaking in and out. Feel free to ask any questions during the flight. You can talk to each other, whatever you like. If you see me talking and can't hear me, it's because I'm talking to air traffic control or another pilot. And then the last thing I'm required to tell you before we take off, there is a fire extinguisher on board, just on my right side. Give me a second, I'm going to get our clearance and we'll be on our way.
We do it right. From the windward to the leeward side, on the island, we do it island style. From the mountain to the ocean, from the windward to the leeward side, on the island, we do it island style. Mountain to the ocean, from the windward side, from the windward side, from the mountain to the ocean, from the windward to the leeward side.
Alright guys, here we go.
Every little thing gonna be alright. Singing, don't worry about a thing, 'cause every little thing gonna be alright. Rise up this morning, smile with the rising sun. Three little birds by my doorstep, singing sweet songs of melodies pure and true, saying, this is my message to you. Singing, don't worry about a thing. Gonna be alright. Don't worry, don't worry, 'cause be alright. Rise up this morning, smile with the rising sun. Three little birds pitch by my doorstep, singing sweet songs.
Everybody doing okay? Yeah, just a couple minutes here until we clear out of the Kahului airspace, and then I'll be able to talk with you. Sit back, relax, and enjoy the view.
Worry about nothing more. Every little thing gonna be alright. Don't worry, singing, don't worry about a thing. I won't worry, 'cause be alright. I won't worry, don't worry about a thing. Every little thing's gonna be alright. Baby, don't worry about a thing. Rocky, from Zion I see. Get ready, ready to rock. We are the rockers from Zion every coast. We're ready to rock. We sing Coco, it's Coco the rock.
We're just climbing up through 3,000 feet right now. But again, I'm going all the way up to 10,000 feet. As you're climbing up here, you just want to make sure you equalize the pressure in your ears. I'll remind you guys to descend back down. All these fields we've been flying over here, it's all sugar cane. Wow, he's got 36,000 acres of it.
Somebody. System. The sound system. Say Jaja rhythm. You move.
Alright, so we're just clearing out of the airspace here now. Oh, what we're looking at here, this is the western slope of Haleakala. The whole area is known as Upcountry Maui. Yeah, town of Pukalani, we're passing on our left.
You get on board.
So in front of us here, further up the mountain, that's the town of Kula. See a lot of farms up here in Kula, that's where a lot of the local produce comes from.
Coco, it's Coco the Rasta. Rasta yeah. Coco now, Coco the Rasta.
Looking at our right side here on the shoreline, this is South Maui, that's where you'll find Kihei and Wailea. A lot of nice beaches down there. Great weather to go with it. On the south shores on most Hawaiian Islands going to be a lot more dry than the north shores. But you usually can find nice beach weather. Got across the channel there, just south of Maui, there's another island out there. It's Hawaii's smallest island, called Kaho'olawe. The only one that's uninhabited. There's a big crescent-shaped rock in between the islands there in the channel. See a bunch of boats heading towards it. It's called the Molokini Crater. Nice spot for snorkeling and diving. There's a lot of marine life out there.
Moving up, we've got time. No matter what you say or do, Japan will rock you down. That's why we saying Coco, it's Coco the Rock. Coco, it's Coco the Rasta. Coco now, Coco the Rock. Coco, it's Coco the Rasta. Rockin' out, we gonna rock you. In the night, in the day, yeah. We body rock your soul. We positively moving up, within your time. No matter what you say or do, jump on the rock them down.
Anybody done the drive up here to Haleakala? No. Pretty cool drive. It's about our 10 o'clock. And it zigzags up the mountain. Ends up on that far left ridge line up there. It's one of the fastest rising roads in the world. It takes you up 10,000 feet in just 38 miles. Start at the airport and drive all the way to the top. It's about an hour and a half. Only takes us about 12 minutes. Usually the morning is the best time to come up here. You'll often see the clouds will build up during the day, and usually by the afternoon it gets sucked in. little better now off our left side there, just above Kula, kind of zigzagging up. There's another road right in front of it here. This also makes its way up the mountain. This one takes you through a state park. It's a whole thick forested area up ahead. It's called Poli Poli. Very beautiful area. There's a lot of different trails you can hike on up here. There's a lavender farm you can visit down at the base of it.
Don't let the sound of your
Drive up far enough into the park up towards the ridgeline, you end up in a redwood forest. There's a bunch of redwood trees about here from Northern California.
don't even
Part of a reforestation they did in the early 1900s. Straight ahead of us here, just past the town of Kula, you'll notice this big clearing up here, this light green area. This is a ranch owned by Oprah. Oprah owns the whole side of the mountain over here. She's got her own private road that comes up from Kihei. Also got a lot of land out by Hana. We'll be climbing up and over here. This is called the Southwest Rift. This ridge runs along the fault line. It cuts diagonally through the volcano.
take it
Pass over, you'll see a lot of these bumps and hills lining it. Those are cinder cones. They act as the vents for Haleakala.
feels me.
Straight ahead on the horizon there, you can see the big island of Hawaii. That's the island with the active volcano, Kilauea. Been active since the early 80s.
I heard this old story before where the people keep a killing for the metaphors, but don't leave much up to the
There at the top of Haleakala, you can see the observatory is set up. This is nicknamed Science City.
easy like that. So I
It's
took
at the University of Hawaii and did astrophysical research.
in again. Should
A large telescope here where they study the stars.
a different name. We're breaking and rebuilding and we're growing, always guessing, never knowing. Shocking, but we're nothing. We're just moments. We're clever, but we're clueless. We're just human. Amusing and confusing. We're trying, but where is